Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that does TikTok tell you who saved your video. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, does TikTok tell you who saved your story? It's not possible. You will not get any notification if someone is saving your video. You have an alternative option. Click on the TikTok app. Click on the profile, click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Click on the privacy. You can see here a lot of options. You have to go to the downloads and switch to off your download videos. If you click on switch off to your download video, no one can save your video in his or her gallery. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.